Laima Khongge Indian Army Cantonment ge mamang maktada laiba yung may tharaba fauba kalhobang ngamdaba Indian Army na Pakistan amadi China ga Lamba Pagani Haiba asi Angakpa Phawi haina Lok Sabha gi member Dr. Angakpa Bimol akoijam na phongdokre wafam asi ngarang Laima Khongda thokiba thodok aduga mari leinarang ase BT Road ta laiba Congress Bhawan da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mahakna phongdokibane mahakna makhata na hai ngarang Laima Khongda kuki singna maite gi yum manga taruk mai thakiba ase anau wafam nate Ngarangi Thodok asi Tharaga Taruklak Suba Thodok ne. Thodok Pumnamak Laimakongda Ladiba Indian Army ge Mitmangta Thokiba Thodok Watok Ngakane. Miyamgi Thawai Amadi Lantung Ngakpi Senbinaba Ladiba Security Forcing na Masagi Mathau Pangthok Trabani Rangasidi Miyam Nasu Makoibu Thazaba Latre. Kumjari Singani Kulhumdegi Me Kunmapanda Ahanbo Oina Kuki Singna Laimakong Chingmangda Maitegi Yum Mai Thaba Hurake. Thodok adugi matung tarakpadasu Thengkhang kaya rakta yum kaya amasung mathang mai tharakle. Tapna ngaside Laimakong lanthoktuna kanto sabal yausirakle fibam asi yauraba fawba lengak asina laibak thiba thodok haiduna kandem tauraga tumina leishinbagi matam oibra ngarang kuki singna rally chatliba mafam adu yamna sensitive oiba mafam ne adubu mafam aduda rally chatpagi ayaba kanana piribano pumnamak asigi paukum BJP lengak na pigadabani haina mahana phongdokhe.
That's the first thing that we should know because otherwise you are going to deflect the real problem. Real problem is the bankruptcy failure of the Modi government and his surrogates here in Imphal, and these administrative machineries who have collapsed. These are more important than talking about Kuki, Meitei or Naga or Meitei. And I think that is where we must concentrate. That's what happened, and I hope that you will also try to do your own investigative report and expose these failures on the part of the. And it is unfortunate that till yesterday, none of these ruling party MLAs and have visited that place. It's very, very unfortunate. You should also know that shows a particular kind of. That is one of the reasons some of these officers don't care about us, because you know that your political leaders are behaving like this. It's very unfortunate, and that's what from our party side we will demand for institutional accountability or whatever happened since 2023. That's what we need to have it, and then including the political leadership, the government of India and the state government, they should be held responsible for whatever happened, to that in our state.
Lainga ke ayaba amade environmental clearance yaudana Chandel da thong ama saduna sangha khibagi matang da pawmising na hangbak wahang da lamdam asigi chief minister na piki pa pakum adugi matang na paladuna MPCC ki president Okram Ibobina hai Chandel ase Manipur gi manung da leiba mafam amane Manipur gi mafam amada semgat sagat liba thabak thorom amabu chief minister na yamna laina amadi karim nana khangde haina phongdokhiba wafam adu masagi mathau masak khangdaba daite yaudaba mapung fadaba wafam amane magi paukum aduna leipak ase law and order kakta natana intelligence su fail oide haiba mayek singna takle haina Okram Ibobina phongdokhe